Hello everyone, my name is Isha Virvani and today I'm going to explain a topic which is DDA line drawing algorithm. It is a very commonly used topic in computer graphics to create a line or to draw a straight line. So, introduction to line in computer graphics, if we talk about drawing a line in a notebook, it is very normal, it is very easy, but drawing a line in computer is quite different because we are using pixels. On a computer screen, everything is displayed using tiny dots which are called pixels. When we want to draw a line, we are actually choosing which pixels should be turned on so that the line looks continuous. Line drawing algorithms help us decide exactly which pixel should be activated. Okay, so now let us understand what is exactly DDA algorithm. DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer. It is a simple method which is used to draw a straight line. It is an incremental method actually, which is drawing a straight line by taking equal steps in either the x direction or in the y direction. It is very easy to understand for beginners too. So now let us start the algorithm. First of all, we need to find the value of m. What is m now? M is the slope of the line. M is equal to del y upon del x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. I am going to explain it to you with the help of some example. So let us take that the starting coordinates would be 1 comma 1 and the ending coordinates would be 3 comma 3. So, like using all these values, we will find the value of m which is equal to 1. Okay. So now as we have found the value of m, we are going to find the value of del x and del y. Del x will be equal to del y by m. How? Using the formula of slope m. Okay. So it would be del y x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. You must be thinking why it has got inversed. It is because that the value of m is in denominator. So after putting the values, we will find that del x would be equal to 2. Now, as we have found del x, we will move to find the value of del y, which is equal to m into del x, using the same formula of slope. Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into del x. Putting the values, again we will get that the value of del y is equal to 2. Okay, now the most important step has been coming. It is we have to check that if the value of del x is greater than or equal to del y, or the value of del y is greater than del x. Let us check that. Now, if in case that the del x value is greater than or equal to del y, we have to assign the value of del x is equal to 1, and then xi plus 1 will be equal to xi plus del x. I think so. You must be getting confused. What is this xi plus 1? Xi plus 1 is the next coordinate on which the line would be landing or going. So, and xi is the initial point from which the line would be going to that point. Okay. So it would be xi plus 1 because value of del x is being assigned as 1. Now let us write that xi plus 1 will be equal to xi plus del y. So sorry, it would be yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus del y, and del y will be m into del x, and we will assign del x as 1. So the final one will be yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus m. Okay. Now, if in case it happens that del y is greater than del x, it will be that del y will be assigned as 1, and after that xi plus 1 will be equal to xi plus del x. Del x will be assigned as del y upon m, and del y will be 1. So final one would be xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus 1 upon m. Then yi plus 1 would be equal to yi plus del y. Del y will be 1, so it would be yi plus 1. Now we will see that it has the final step to the solution have been arrived. It is that del x and del y were equal, right? Yes, because both were having the same values. It was 2. So we will be going with this case. This case. Okay, because we can see that del x and del y will be equal, so we have to follow this step. Okay, so del x will be assigned as 1 and xi value will be 1, as we are starting from 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, again 1 plus 1 will be 2. You can also use the table for your understanding. It would be easy for you to understand. Then the initial points will become 2 comma 2, so it will be 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, again 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the coordinates where line will be formed are 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and finally 3 comma 3 is the ending coordinates where the line will be finished. Okay, so here you can see I have also plotted the line. It is starting from 1 comma 1 and it is going to 2 comma 2, then it is finally reaching its ending point, which is 3 comma 3. So I hope that the topic DDA line drawing algorithm, it is clear to you. I am very happy, I am very thankful to you that you heard me patiently. Thank you.